Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I will explain another topic from subject Mathematics class 10 CBSE board, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. Here pair means two, linear equation means the equation having maximum degree of variable, power of variable is 1, and here variables are 2. Now see, this is the linear equation in two variable. This is the form of linear equation in variable 2. That is first variable, y is second variable, and c, the degree of all these variables is 1. So equation with degree 1 and 2 variable. This is the equation, linear equation with variable 2 variables and degree 1. Now pair. Pair means 2. So two equations are there. So for that, see, linear equation 1, standard form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is linear equation 1 because your degree of variable is 1 and here two variables are there. Linear equation number 2, that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is linear equation number 2 because your degree of variable is 1. This is equation number 1, equation number 2. Now pair means two equations. Two equations, and these are the linear equation. So their graph is lines. So there may be three cases. There are three cases after solution. So solution, what is meant by solution? Solution means finding the values of variables that satisfies both the equation. Solution means finding out values of variables that satisfies equation. Satisfaction of equation means LHS is equal to RHS. Now, first case. First case is the lines may be intersecting. Two lines may be intersecting. So, intersecting means like this. They meet at one point. This is line 1. This is line 2. They meet at single point. So, now we can say, if this type of situation is there, we can say this line, pair of line or pair of equation has unique solution, and we can call them as consistent pair of equations. If the lines are intersecting, we can call the pair of equation has unique solution. Unique means only one solution. Only one point is there which satisfies both the equation, and we can call them as consistent pair of equations. Now case number 2, lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, they never cross each other. Parallel lines, you know the concept of parallel lines. Parallel lines means they never cross each other. They never cross each other. They never intersect each other. So parallel lines. If parallel lines are there, we can call them as inconsistent pair of equation because these lines or these equations do not have any solution. So they have no solution case. If lines are parallel, there is no solution, means there is no any point which satisfies both the equation. So we can call them as inconsistent pair of equation. Now third case. Third case is C, line 1 coincident with line 2. Line 1 coincident with line 2. In this case, we can call these lines have dependent consistent pair of equations, and it has many solutions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, all the points on the line, they satisfies equation, both the equations. Solution means values, finding out values for variables that satisfies the equation. So here three cases are there. First case, intersecting. For intersecting lines, we can call them as pair of consistent pair of equation, and it has unique solution. Parallel lines, inconsistent pair of equations, it has no solution. And coincident lines, it has infinitely many solutions, and it is called a, we can call them as dependent consistent pair of equations. We can call them as dependent consistent pair of equation. Now here already we have studied linear equation, standard form of linear equation. This is standard form of linear equation number 2. If two equations are given, without drawing the graph, we can predict these lines are parallel or intersecting or coincident based on the some ratios that will explain here. So A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 are the coefficients of the different terms of expression or different terms of equation. Now see A1x, x coefficient is A1 in linear equation 1. B1 is coefficient of second variable. C1 is constant in linear equation. And see the standard form, LHS equal to RHS. So here is LHS, equality sign, RHS. So this is the standard form of linear equation. So here we can call it as linear equation number 1. Linear equation number 2, that's why here coefficients I have taken A2, B2, C2. Now after this we will find the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 based on the values of these ratios. You know concept of ratio. Based on the values of this ratio, we will find whether lines are or equations are intersecting, coincident or parallel. If lines are intersecting lines, then condition is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Intersecting lines, condition is A1 by A2, ratio A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Already we have learned exactly unique solution, one solution, unique solution, we can call it as consistent pair of linear equations. Now second type of line, coincident line. If lines are coincident, then all the ratios are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. All the ratios are equal. And third line, type of line, parallel lines. If lines are parallel, then ratio A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. First ratio A1 by 2 is equal to second ratio B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. Matlab this first ratio and second ratio are equal, third ratio is not equal. So these lines are parallel and no solution. So now in this way you learn if two linear equations, pair of linear equations are given, pair of linear equations are given, pair of linear equations are given with standard form, you first write their coefficients like this, then find the ratios, and based on this ratio you can predict whether these lines are intersecting or coincident or parallel. If lines are intersecting, one solution. Coincident, many solutions. And parallel lines, no solution. And these are the conditions for ratios. Correct? Now, after this is one example. We'll see example later on. Now, how to solve linear pair of equations. There are three methods to solve: graphical method, substitution method, and elimination method. In next video, we will see these methods in detail. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain how to find or methods to find the solution of pair of linear equation in two variable. Already we have learned what is meant by linear equation in two variable, and pair means two equations simultaneously, and based on the some calculations or finding out some ratios of coefficients of linear equation, we predict these lines are intersecting or parallel or coincident lines. Now we'll find the methods to find the solution of this equation. Solution means finding the value of variables such that if we put that value in the equation, then it satisfies the equation. Satisfaction of equation means LHS is equal to RHS. Now, first method is graphical method, second method is substitution method, and third method is elimination method. First one is the graphical method, and rest two methods, the substitution method and elimination method, they are called algebraic methods. They are called algebraic methods. So now we'll find first one, graphical method. So example here is, check graphically whether the pair of equations x plus 3y equal to 6. This is the first equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. This is the second equation. We have to solve them graphically, and it is necessary to find out the solution for this pair of equations. Now step 1, solution. Step 1, first write the equation. First, x plus 3y is equal to 6. Call this as equation 1. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Call this equation as 2. Now, from equation 1, x plus 3y is equal to 6. Find the value of y. 3y, transpose x to this side. So 3y is equal to 6. Here x is positive. When we transpose, it becomes negative. So 6 minus x. Now transpose this 3 to this side. So y is equal to 6x minus 6 minus x divided by 3. What we have done here, we have calculated value of y in terms of x. We find out value of x, value of y in terms of x. One variable, value of one variable in terms of second. Now draw this table like this. X, you know value of y is equal to 6 minus x divided by 3. Now here find the coordinates. We require coordinate to plot the graph. So here these are the assumed values. For x, you assume values. Based on this assumed value, find the value of y. If x, value of x, first assumed value is 0, put, as you know, y is equal to 6 minus x divided by 3. Y is equal to 6 minus x divided by 3. Put the value of x 0. This assumed value 0, put here. 6 minus 0 divided by 3. Y is equal to 6 divided by 3. Y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. So we got the first point, whose coordinates are, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 2. Now 6. Put here x, value of x 6. In this table here, x values you are putting, you are assuming. Now y value know, y is equal to 6 minus x divided by 3. So put the value of x is 6. 6 minus 6 divided by 3. That is 6 minus 6, 0. 0 divided by 3. Y is equal to 0. If we divide someone by someone to by 0, if we divide 0 to any value, answer becomes 0. So here we got second coordinate, second point whose coordinates are 6, 0. Now step 2. Step 2 from second equation. Second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now here see, what is our step? Is find the value of one variable in terms of other variable. Here negative sign is there, so I will transpose 3y to this side. So 12 plus 3y is equal to 2x. So now we have to find the value of y. So transposing 12 to this side, LHS. So 2x minus 12 is equal to 3y as it is. Now 2x minus 12 divided by 3, because we have transposed 3 to this side and we got the value of y. X, for x we are assuming the value and finding out value of y from this equation. This equation we got from this basic equation. Now again from the table, value of x, these are the assumed values. You have to assume these values, and value of y and coordinate. So same calculation you do. Here y is equal to 2x minus 12 divided by 3. Put the value of x is 0. 2 into 0 minus 12 divided by 3 is equal to 0 minus 12 divided by 3. That is minus 12 divided by 3. Y is equal to minus 4. So coordinate will be 0, minus 4. Now here we are putting value of x is 3. We know the value of x is, value of y is equal to 2x minus 12 divided by 3. 2 multiplied by 3, here we have put the value of x, minus 12 divided by 3. 2 into 3, 6 minus 12 divided by 3. That is minus 6 divided by 3. That is y is equal to minus 2. So we got the coordinate 3 minus 2. Now plotting the graph. As you know, to plot the graph of linear equation, and you already know graph of linear equation is line. So this equation has one line and this equation has another line, and to plot the line we need at least two coordinates, 2 points from on that line. So this line concerned with these 2 points, first point, second point. So plotting, as you know, in coordinate geometry you have learned, this is x dash x dash axis, horizontal axis. This is vertical axis, y dash. Then this is the positive side for x axis, this is negative side for x axis, this is positive side for y axis, and this is negative side for y axis. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Now first point is 0, 2. 0, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 2. So x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 2. So a point is here, 0, 2. This point, call this point as a. Now second point is 6, 0. 6 means first coordinate is always x. So x, 6, 0, y coordinate is 0. So point is here. So this line, join point A, B and extend the line, because this is the line, and write the equation x plus 3y is equal to 6. Same way plot this point and draw this line. When these two lines meet at single point, that is 6 0, this point is coordinate of this point is 6 0, and two lines meet at this point, so 6 0 will be the solution for this pair of linear equations. So this is the method, graphical method, to find out solution of linear pair of linear equation in two variable. Now algebraic methods, we will find a solution of linear pair of equations in two variable, pair of linear equation in two variables by algebraic methods. First method is substitution method. In substitution method, first write the equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, first equation. Second equation 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. This is equation number 2. Now step 1. What is step 1? From equation 1, find out the value of one variable in terms of other. Find out the value of one variable in terms of others. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So we are transposing 3y to this side. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y, and transpose again 2 to this side. X is equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. So this is called this as equation number 3. Now we have find out value of x in terms of y from equation 1, and we got the equation 3. Now put this value or substitute this value in equation number 2. Equation number 2. So equation number 2 is 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So value of x is what we got, 11 minus 3y divided by 2. So 2 into bracket, instead of x, put this value 11 minus 3y divided by 2 minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Now this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, because this 2 at numerator, this 2 at denominator. So 2 by 2, 1. So we'll get cancelled. Now 11 minus 3y, remaining is 11 minus 3y, this minus sign, 4y is equal to minus 24 as it is. Now from this, remove the brackets. 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Now from these two y terms, do the mathematical operations. 11 minus 3y minus 4y minus 7y. 11 minus 7y is equal to minus 24. Now transpose this 11 to this side because here we want to find the value of y. So keep y on one side and other constants on, or other coefficients on other side. So send 11 to this side or transpose 11 to RHS. So minus 7y is equal to minus 24 minus 11. This is the rule of equation. When we transpose positive value here, if here is addition, 11 is added in minus 7y. So when we transpose it, it will become negative. So minus 7y is equal to minus 24 minus 11. Minus 7y is equal to minus 24 minus 11 minus 35. Now this minus sign on both sides it will get cancelled. Here is also minus, here is also minus, here is also one term, here is also one term, so this minus sign get cancelled. So now 7y is equal to 35. Y transpose 7 to this side. Here y is multiply. When we transpose to other side, it will become division. So y is equal to 35 divided by 7. Y is equal to 5. Now from equation 3, here solution means finding out values of both the variables, variable x, variable y. So already we have find out the value of y. Now put this value in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is x is equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. Put the value of y. So 11 minus 3 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, which is 11 minus 15 divided by 2. So 11 minus 15 is minus 4 divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Minus sign is there. So minus 2. So the solution. Last step is write the solution. The solution of this pair of linear equation in two variable by substitution method is value of x is minus 2 and value of y is 5. So this is the method, substitution method, finding out solution of pair of linear equation in two variable by substitution method, or it is algebraic method. Now one more method, that is elimination method. Now in elimination method, so name itself suggests we eliminate one of the variable. How we decide which variable we want to eliminate? Based on the coefficients. If coefficient of any variable in both the equation are same or equal, then we should try to eliminate that variable. And here we want to do two operations, as already you have learned: addition of polynomial or subtraction of polynomial. Here you can do addition of polynomial and subtraction of polynomial by vertical method or horizontal method. Here in this video I have explained vertical method of doing addition and subtraction of polynomials. So now here see, if we carefully see the equations, the coefficients of x in both the equation are 2. So we'll remove or eliminate x variable. So to remove or eliminate x variable, what we need to do? We will subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So arrangement is like this. Right, first equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, and subtraction 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. And as you know, when we subtract polynomial from other polynomial, the sign get reversed for the second polynomial which is to be subtracted. Here we want to subtract this polynomial, so its sign get reversed for each term. Sign get reversed when we subtract. In subtraction operation, sign of each term of second polynomial get reversed. So here sign is plus, reverse sign is negative, minus, here sign is negative, reverse sign is positive, here sign is negative, reverse sign is positive. And now we'll consider this sign. So 2x minus 2x 0, minus 3y plus 4y, that is plus 3y plus 4y is equal to 7y, is equal to 11 plus 24, 11 plus 24, that is 35. Y is equal to 35 divided by 7, and y is equal to 5. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35. Now, after finding the value of one variable, put this value in any equation, equation 1 or equation 2, based on your choice. So here I am putting this value in equation 1. So first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So 2x plus 3 into value of y is 5 is equal to 11. 2x plus 15 is equal to 11. Now we want to find the value of x. So keep one aside and others on, send others on other side. So transpose 15 to LHS. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 15. Here 15 is plus addition. When we transpose it to other side, it becomes negative. So minus 15. Then 2x is equal to 11 minus 15 minus 4. X transpose this to LHS. RHS or this side. So x is equal to minus 4 divided by 2. So we want to find the value of x. So transposing 2 to RHS. X is equal to minus 4 divided by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. X is equal to minus 2. And write the step 3 is write the solution. Solution is finding value of variables, two variables of pair of linear equations, so that they will satisfy. So your solution is x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5 is the solution for this linear pair of equation. And these are the three methods. First one is graphical method, second one is substitution method, third one is elimination method, and to plot the graph. If you want to learn more about how to plot the graph, watch my other videos where I have explained in detail coordinate geometry, how to draw the graph, how to plot the points, and you can call me for home tuitions. The numbers are given on screen. And if you have 3 to 4 students at your place, so I will take tuition at your place for group of 3 to 4 students. So in the next video, we will see next topic. Thank you.